Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a coding question which was asked on 10th April in TCS NQT. So the question is group formation based on the efficiency you have. You are given a efficiency of n people. You need to form a group of size t. If some people are left, those extra people are removed or ignored, or at last return the maximum difference among the people. For each group, compute the difference is equals to maximum element minus minimum element. Print the minimum difference among all the people. So here the question and the test cases are like this. So here they are given the unsorted array. First we have to sort, and they have given the t, that is a group size as a 2. So we have to form a group of different elements, not the like 3 and 1 and 4 and 3. It's not like that. We have to form the difference like 1 and 3, 4 and 9 and 10 and 12. So if we do the difference, the maximum difference will be the 5, so we have to return it, that is the maximum. So here the catch is we have to find the index of the each group ending. See, for each group, this is one group, this is one group, this is one group now. So for each group you have to find the ending index. This is, here it is 1, here it is 5, here it is, so here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 5. So we have to find that. So for to finding that, we have one formula, that is I plus t minus 1. So by making use of this, we will calculate the ending index of each group. Okay, so if you find that, we will run a loop from here to at last this is the ending here. So 3 minus 1 will be the 2, and 9 minus 4 will be the 5, 12 minus 10 will be 2, so maximum will be 5. So let's move towards the code. So here we have written the input, that is the first element is the n value, and the next thing is the array element, and the third thing is the group size. So here first I have sorted the array and I have printed here. So the logic here is I am running the loop from 0 to I plus t, that is until n. Okay, and I am incrementing y not plus 1 with plus is equals to t. Okay, I think you got this. I plus is equals to t means if the I value is 0, then the next iteration will be 2, and the next further iteration will be 4, so that we will directly jump to the starting index of that group, 0 to 2, 2 to 5. See, via this we are finding this. So plus 2 means from 0 to we are directly jumping to 2, and from 2 to I am directly jumping to 4. Okay, now so this also we have find it, and therefore this also we have find it via this I plus t minus 1. So okay, first we are doing here I plus t minus 1. See, this index will be at the I is equals to 0, the index will be 1. Okay, so I am storing this index value in this difference variable, and further I am running inner loop from here, not from here, from here I am running. Okay, now I plus t minus 1 will be, the value will be 1. The index value I'm telling, not the element. Okay, I plus t minus 1 will be 1. I plus t minus 2 will be the previous value of this element. Am I correct? So here you guys will not understand, because it said the window size here is 2. If the window size, if the t value, the group size, if they would have given 3, then you guys would have understand this. How messy, if assume t is equals to 3. Okay, then we have to find like 4 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, got it. 12 minus 10 minus 9. This is one of the group, this is one of the group. If they would have given t value as 3, then I'm telling. So here what we can do, 4 minus 3 minus 1. See I plus t minus 1 means this index. What's the index over here? 2. So I will find I plus t minus 1 means 2. So I plus t minus 2 means, that is this value I'm telling, this thing I'm talking about, I minus 2 plus I plus t minus 4, sorry. So here means it will come here. Okay, I plus 2, what's I? 0. T means 3. I 0 plus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, now I value is 0. 0 plus t is how much? T2 value is 3. 3 minus 2 means 3 minus 2 means 1. It will come here. So from here to I will run a loop from up to y is up to 0. I value here will be 0 for this group. Okay, so from here to here I will run a loop, and I will calculate the difference, because at starting only difference value will be 4. 4 minus 3 minus 1, like this. Okay, here t value is 2, so it will directly come here, and the difference will be 3 minus 1. See, first difference value will be 3. 3 minus array of j, array of j value is 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 like this. Directly I will jump from I plus is equals to t, means from 0 to I will directly jump from up to here, and the difference value here will be 9, and the I plus t minus 2 value will be 4, and then I will calculate 9 minus 4, it will be 5. Like this only. Again I will go to this group, and the I plus t minus 1 value will be 12, and I plus 2 minus 2 value will be 10, and then I will calculate the difference. 12 minus 2 will be 2. Here the maximum will be 5, then the maximum is 5. That's it. Like that I have done here. So at each condition I'm finding the maximum. Like 2 I am comparing with 0, because the at first value will be 0 only, no. So 0 plus 0 comma 2, 2 will be higher, 2 plus and the max diff will be here, no. For after the first iteration it will be 2 comma 5, which is the maximum. 5 will the maximum, so we will return 5. Again 5 will be compared with 2, then 5 will be only the maximum one, so we will, at last we will return that 5. So here I am printing, you guys will return that set. So I will run once this test case. Control copy, control C, so control V, enter. See, the maximum one will be 5. So for you guys, for your reference, I will take the another, that is the window size will be, now here will be 3, hit enter. See, the value is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 12 minus 10 is how much? 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 2 minus 7 is 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So the here the minus 1 7 is compared with 0. 0 is only the maximum, so here the value maximum is 0. So this is the logic. I hope you guys understood this logic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.